unbox an order from the Tortoise hut with me. Zeus needed some new plants for his enclosure while we're waiting for his to bloom. Let me quickly open it all so we can take a look. How amazing are they? First up, we have Campanula, Zeus's favorite plant. Next is Pansy. This one is Viola, I think. Then we have another Viola and another Pansy. These three are from the mini trio range. He stomped all over his last one, so I thought we'd try something different. How cute are they? I love this one. On to our last few things, new Cuttlebones. Opuntia, excited for him to try this one. And lastly, we have the edible flower mix. So that's everything. I'm super impressed. It was delivered really quickly. I'm going to pop some in Zeus's enclosure and we'll see what he thinks.